Hi, this is your quick tutorial for using Elkonin boxes. I'm going to demonstrate with the 3-phoneme Elkonin boxes, but we also have ones with 2 phonemes and ones with 4 phonemes. So the idea with Elkonin boxes is we're segmenting the sounds in a word, or the phonemes. And we do that by uncovering the box to determine if we counted the sounds correctly, and then we move chips into the box to represent the sounds in the word. So if I'm planning a lesson, I'm probably not going to do all of these. There's a whole lot of them available. I'm just going to pick a few and do just those. So let's say we do fish is one of the ones we're going to do. I would copy this slide and paste it into my lesson template wherever in the lesson I want it to come up. And I will probably do 2 or 3 different slides. But for demonstration purposes, let me just show you how we would do this one. My word is fish. So I would hold up my hand and count with the student, get the student to hold up their hand so we can see how many fingers we have and count the sounds in the word fish. We'll say f, I, sh, 3 sounds. And we might practice a few times to practice the segmentation. Segmenting is the whole idea. This white box is covering up the Elkonin boxes. So I can either move it out of the way, or I can shrink it, or I can just delete it. If I delete it, I can just remember to not save, and it'll be there when I come back. So once we have determined that, yes, 3 was the right number of boxes, then I'm going to have my student move chips into the boxes to represent those 3 sounds, saying each sound as they move the chip. And we're going to do this in editing mode rather than in presentation mode. That allows me to move these chips around. Also, when I'm doing this with my student, I usually will make this small so that the other slides over there are not a distraction. So if we move the sounds for fish, I would say f, I, sh, f, I, sh. What word? Fish. And I can do the same thing as we move the sounds out. We can say f, I, sh. What word? Fish. That's how you do Elkonin boxes.